Alright, here's what we got. Got him hooked to the tree. Brandon's over there cutting the tree. And there she goes. And that's her. That's all there is to it. Now you can see the light post. My yard will be lit up at night because my yard is all of this. All the way around to here. So we'll have light in the front yard now. How was it, Brandon? Cut right in there, didn't it? Is it? I cut that old dead tree over there to see if it was sharp. It's probably what dulled it. Now there goes Justin. Let's see what Brandon's over here doing. Yeah. Dang, you're pulling the tractor backwards. What he's going to do is hook that in and just pull the whole tree up through there. We got a place up back we put them. Hi. Take and get that thing right at it, Brandon. Take and back him all the way right down here at it. And go ahead and, you hear me? Look. And you slide the chain in from, look, right here. Take and go in from right here. And just go ahead and put the chain in. Let it slide back a little bit. Let him back down here, and then he can pick that up, lay that thing down, and he can pick the back of this up. There you go. Get high. He's gonna. You can't do it like that. He'll drag that thing all the way up through yonder. Back on up, Justin. Pull that chain. Pull that chain. Here. Take that chain there. You have to take one of them other little bitty chains and hook to that chain and hook it up here.
Back on down there. Alright.
There you go. Let it down a little bit, Justin. Let it down all the way. All the way. There you go. Now, just look, go around that right there. Just put that right through back through. I don't know if that's going to, it's probably going to pull out of that tree. Alright, let me get one right quick.